Keeping your laptop constantly charged at 100% may reduce its battery health over time. So in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set a battery charging limit in Ubuntu and stop your laptop from charging beyond 80%. First, check Ubuntu's power settings. Starting with GNOME 48, supported laptops may show a native option called Preserve Battery Health. Enable it, and Ubuntu will automatically limit battery charging. However, this option only appears when your laptop's hardware and drivers expose battery charging threshold control to the operating system. If you don't see it, no need to lose hope. Here is the workaround I use on my ASUS Zenbook. I use a GNOME extension called Battery Health Charging. It supports laptops from several manufacturers, including ASUS. To install GNOME extensions, I prefer using the Extension Manager app. It is simpler than setting up browser integration, and it also makes managing and updating extensions easier. So on Ubuntu, install it with this command: sudo apt install GNOME shell extension manager. No need to type it all by yourself. I have mentioned the command in the description and you can copy it from there. Once installed, open Extension Manager, go to the Browse section, search for battery health charging, and install or enable it from there. You may see an error or warning after installation, and that is normal. This extension needs elevated privileges, meaning you need to be root to change the battery charging limit. So you need to provide it sudo access, and that it gets through Polkit. Open the extension settings, scroll to the bottom, and install the required user privileges. Enter your account password when prompted. Once that is done, open the system menu in the top right corner. You should now see a new battery charging option. Set it to balanced mode, and your laptop's battery charging limit will be set to 80%. Here, my laptop is already charged to 100%, so it will not immediately drop to 80%. But once the battery level falls below 80% and I reconnect the charger, it will stop charging when it reaches the limit. You can also configure your own charging thresholds from the extension settings. But like you can set it to 78% or the lower limit to something else, but I find the default values are good enough. I have been using this extension for around 1.5 years, and the battery health of my Zenbook is still pretty solid. Did limiting battery charging make the difference? I don't have enough data to prove it, but I would like to believe that it helps. And this is the reason why I enable this battery charging threshold on every Linux distribution I use on this laptop or other laptops. I hope this helps you too. Enjoy Ubuntu, enjoy Linux, enjoy its force.